Meet Julia Parker, a passionate software developer from the vibrant city of Austin, Texas. At 32, Julia's life seemed on track, yet beneath the surface, something felt amiss. Recently, during a festive office gathering brimming with sugary treats, Julia found herself succumbing to an overwhelming sugar crash that left her both physically and emotionally drained. Realizing this wasn't just about indulgence, but a serious health concern, she sought advice from her close confidant and expert nutritionist, Mark. His suspicion? It was high time to confront the sweet culprit behind her declining well-being, her sugar-laden diet. Fueled by a need for change, Julia made a bold leap into the world of ketogenic living. Even as her cravings for sweets clawed at her resolve, Julia persevered, slowly welcoming fats as her new source of vitality. Her kitchen saw a transformation too, with avocados, a variety of cheeses, and leafy greens becoming staples. Each meal was a celebration of her new journey. Although her resolve was tested, Julia's commitment to her health began to strengthen with each passing day. She was not just changing her diet, she was reshaping her life. As the weeks unfolded, Julia's new lifestyle began to pay off in ways she had never imagined. Not only did she witness a considerable difference in her weight, but her energy surged to new heights, illuminating her days with vigor and clarity. Her newfound focus became evident at work, where tasks seemed less daunting and more manageable. Inspired by her transformative experience, Julia launched a blog to share her journey, crafting stories and insights that resonated deeply with her readers. Her words became a beacon for many, drawing in a crowd eager to learn from her keto adventure. Half a year into her transformative journey, Julia had seamlessly woven the threads of keto into the fabric of her life. Standing confidently on the stage of a local health and wellness conference, she shared her path to empowerment with an audience hanging on every word. Empowered by her own achievements, Julia charted a course for the future, aspiring to help others tailor their lives around mindful and healthy eating. She now sought a culinary certification focused on keto-friendly cuisine, envisioning a world where her knowledge and passion could ignite change in the diets and lives of many.